Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time again a free case from the new local chapter in Chile. You can get this case when signing up for the tournament. And this will be a live solve because, yeah, I do not have currently the time to solve everything, um, everything there. Okay, so this, okay, we have here something. Let's create a table. OBJ. Okay, movements we don't need. There are multiple maps. Okay. Let's look up. I think we should be able to work with those symbols. Symbol returning OBJ object. Yeah, simple X lookup. Then to Sapphire X. So it's an lookup with multiplication. This is wrong, I know. Multiplied with the quantity. Huh? Okay. Symbol. Ah, yes, of course. Estimated value instead of anything else. 0. Not so great. We want to find out what is in there, so I use index there. Do not use volatile functions. Row number, column number, this will give me the symbol. And then an X lookup. Wrote this in OBJ symbol returning OBJ estimated value. Should be trackable, yes. Now, all x, get the value, sum it up. Okay. We can use index here. So if is number, let's make it simple. So if is number, here we're in the rows, then use this. Yeah, then use this, otherwise hand out nothing. If if not, no. If not is number, then code minus 64, I think it is. Otherwise nothing. And then sum, and if there are errors, 0. Okay, should work. Yes. In a reach of 2 diagonal step count as will not go outside the map, so area return area based on cell reference. Range is given here. I should also include the sheet name. map. Okay, and then we can use XLOOKUP in OBJ for the symbol, returning the value and 0 and summing. With this lambda, it's kind of an easy task. Okay, a little hard. Medium hard, no. But for what do you want? Diagonals. Mm, well, could also do something else. Arrows, because I can use those arrows. So reference based on arrow array, starts a reference sequence 20 and this array here. Street name map indirect, yes. And we have here a few errors, but doesn't matter. I can use if error 0, and this is handing me out if I'm not here using indirect, then this gives me the diagonals on the same trajectory. And then XLOOKUP in OBJ symbol returning OBJ estimated value. And yes, I know there will be errors, and therefore we sum this then up. Okay, and this is only the first part. We also use this for the second thing here. Yes, both are. I hope this is right. Is 20 enough? Yeah, 20 should be enough. Oh, some errors. Okay. Let's find out why. Or if we simply put use here 30. No. Okay. Weird. H5. So H5 is here. So we basically are getting those. Okay, let's check. First, is this somehow a rounding error? No, 770, 774. Okay. Well, let's find out why. So first, give me this. Not indirect. I want to E6, A7 up to AL35, but E6 should be fine. Yeah, and AL is also not. I know. I know it. I know it. I know where the problem is. Here with sequence, I'm not starting at 0 and therefore excluding the reference cell. Idiotic error. Yeah. Okay, this could have been costly. Okay, cell reference based on arrow array, cell reference split, sheet name map indirect 1. Okay, this will not work. Yeah, because I don't need to split. Or, okay, I need to split. Hmm, crazy. Okay, then map this in. I wasn't aware that my lambdas are doing it that way, but okay, here we go. And then X lookup this in obj symbol returning obj value. It's not found. 0 sum. Okay, let's check it. Okay, that's a lot more. Therefore, okay, sum and X lookup away. Also the indirect away. Yes. Here the problem is this should work differently. This. No, I need cell reference based on so refs. Single character. Here we go. Single character. I wasn't aware that I need the refs for this. And then we can do an X lookup in obj for the symbol returning obj value. It was a long time ago we had to deal with errors. Yes, I know. because here 0 is missing. And now we have the value. Okay, I hope. Is this because we exclude this here? I think it is. Therefore, included. I think I need to go over my arrows, arrow arrays, arrow lambdas. Yeah. Yeah, of course, because the starting cell is normally not included. Okay, let's go to the bonus questions. How many eggs? It's a question. Which one is an egg? These are eggs. Mm. Ah, I should have copied the symbol if I want to count the symbol. $148. Which egg appears most often? We've prepared this. It's this one, and therefore the diamond egg. Total value of eggs in the highest value row or column. Easily. Let's look up of this in OBJ symbol returning OBJ value, not found 0, and then by row sum. Now this needs to be by call. Check it here, and then by row sum. And the maximum is this here. Okay, you can send your extra premium market where there is they're 50% worth more, 3.5, 350 per shipment. How many level 6 up rough? Huh? Yeah, the problem is that I need to put this away. Otherwise, I'm interfering with my level answers here. Normally, it's not an error because you then have input the level codes there, but yeah, so profitable means where this might lead to more value. So this times 0.5 larger than 350,000. And then equals minus minus sum minus minus 12. Each vertical horizontal moves covers a distance of 1. Each diagonal a distance of 2. What is the maximum distance traveled? Entire path. So basically, I want to have concatenation of all arrows. Then I want to split them. What is in the way? Oh, yeah, okay. Merge cell, unmerge. Still spilling? Multiple merge cells. Horror. Here we go. And now we count them. Okay, and 1. This is worth 2, this is worth 2. This crazy error. Yes, diagonals 2. 1, 1. And then sum of product 239. Could be wrong. Yeah, I think it's wrong because I've excluded 18. Per case. Not in total per case. That's good to know. Okay, give me 1 sec. Okay, I need to live with this annoying error. So this doesn't matter. Arrows, list diagonal second. And then one, two. Super annoying, this error. I get it only with, yeah, with indirect and this stuff. Count letter in text. This is then the text and this is the letter. Here I want to fix the row and here the column. And this then multiplied with the factor. And this then tracked down and the maximum by row. And as you can see, the maximum is 18. And 18 is the number we're searching for. Okay. So in this case, it's by game. Okay, in hindsight, it would have been also obvious, but anyways, cool case. I've not used arrows since a long time, so it was a good hint to go after the lambdas there. And yeah, thank you for this case, and I hope that the other cases from the new chapter will be also that great. Thank you for your attention. Bye.